Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your iPhone without using iTunes or PC. So to reset your iPhone you need to enter settings of your phone and go to general, and here you see this option. Go to reset iPhone and here is all content and settings. You can also reset all your settings from here, but if you want to just reset your phone you can reset it from here. You need to enter your passcode and just click on erase now, and here you need to enter your Apple ID password, and that's it, your phone will be reset. And if you only want to reset your phone settings, then you can reset your settings from here. Just click on reset all settings and enter your passcode and just click here. Your phone will be reset. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.